Stakeholders in Nigeria's capital markets have called for stronger institutional reforms, improved regulatory coordination, and enhanced investor protection to sustain markets growth and strengthen confidence in the country's financial system. The 2026 Annual Business Summit of the Capital Market Solicitors Association in Lagos had regulators, legal practitioners, policymakers, and financial market operators examine strategies for building a resilient capital market capable of supporting long-term economic development beyond periodic market rallies. Stakeholders said sustainable capital market growth depends on effective collaboration among regulators, financial institutions, and legal professionals. The chairman, Simisola Enyisomi, said the association was committed to promoting high professional standards within Nigeria's investment and security sectors. According to participants, this year's summit focused on governance reforms, regulatory efficiency, technological innovation, investor protection, and sustainable finance as critical pillars for long-term market stability.
We want to have a capital market with deep penetration. We want to have a capital market in Nigeria that is robust, that is such that can accommodate transactions. And here we are talking about the absorption capacity of the markets. Absorption capacity in terms of raising money, big money. Absorption capacity in terms of ensuring that investment products, capital market products, financial products that are active, traded, are well received in the market. They are bought and sold, and that accounts for market liquidity. Liquidity is all about you having your stocks, being able to present your stock for sale and get the stock sold.
A lot of the changes are bearing fruit already, and we're doing well regulation-wise, and especially with the advent ISA 2025. Quite a lot of innovations have been brought about. I believe it's a recognition of the vital role that the CMSA plays, in the capital market space. And I think we should count it as a gain in CMSA that the head of the Ministry of Finance and the coordinating Minister of the Economy has recognized the vital role that we play in the system.
Up to now, some capital market solicitors are not aware of the existence of Investment and Securities Tribunal. That's what we call forum shopping. Instead of them to go and file their cases before the tribunal, they keep on going to the Federal High Court as well as State High Court to file their cases. And the law is very clear. If we look at the Investment and Securities Tribunal Act 2025, to be precise, it says any dispute arising from investment must be taken before the Investment and Securities Tribunal. And that's why we have to come here and make it public for people to know that government has taken care of that aspect. It has been there for long, but still people are not aware of its existence.
This conference, of course, is what we do annually. Is the flagship of the association, and the topic for this year is very germane and very relevant. Given the scheme of things, the government of Nigeria is heading towards making Nigeria a 30 trillion economy. Capital market is one of the best ways you can grow your economy. If I have a strong capital market, it's one of the best ways to raise funds to grow an economy. So it's something that government should be a bit more interested in what's going on, to make sure we have a robust capital market. If we have a robust capital market, by extension, we have a robust economy.
I think we're on the right track. Obviously, the market has, in 2025, gained about 50%. It's done another 30% this year. So it's all on the right track. We're seeing a lot of activity. We're seeing a lot of capital flows from the international community as well. So we expect that this momentum will continue. There's a lot more activity that we're expecting on the capital market. And I think the regulators are very well prepared for the developments that we're seeing. There are all sorts of reforms that are coming into the market. The pension funds are also getting a bit more capacity to be able to invest more. I think that the right infrastructure that we need is in place. And then advisors like ourselves, financial advisors and the legal universe really need to just prepare our clients for the wave that is to come and for the development that we're expecting in the market.
When it comes to the financial market, it's different from the capital market. When it comes to payment systems, payment portals, CBN has jurisdiction, and they've always been up to the task for that purpose. The capital market, on the other hand, deals with investors and the general public at large. And when it comes to payment issues, CBN has purview with that regard, and it's not something that we in the capital market have jurisdiction over. But I understand that people are having issues, and I know that CBN has robust frameworks for complaints, for dispute resolutions of this kind. And I know that when people take advantage of that, they will definitely get the results that they do desire.